The state of New Jersey is open for business. This video podcast series is designed to help you navigate the various online business registry processes administered by the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Check out the description box below to navigate the video contents using the clickable timestamps and to access the links referenced throughout this video. Be sure to click the Show More tab to view the full list of links in the description box. To view our complete series, please visit the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at nj.gov/njbgs, or follow the link in the description box to view our complete playlist on YouTube.
I like to open a business in the state of New Jersey, and I have a lot of questions.
Hopefully I can answer some of those.
Just for starters, I keep seeing this term, business entity. What is a business entity?
The term business entity refers to an organization formed under state statutes for the purpose of conducting business activities. The type of business entity formed identifies how a business is managed and the rights and obligations of its owners and members. Adopting a business entity form affords key protections to the business, including limited liability, and further identifies how a business is recognized for tax purposes, federally and within the state. Entities are also referred to as legal structures. Every business owner must choose a legal structure for their business in order to operate, register, and pay taxes. Before you continue with an entity filing, please visit business.nj.gov/pages/choose a business structure to help determine the best legal structure for your business. You can type the link shown on screen into your browser or click the link in the description box below.
That's really helpful. Once I've decided on the type of legal structure for my business, what's the next step?
Well, it depends on the type of legal structure you've chosen for your business entity. In this episode, we'll demonstrate the Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing process, which is required for all of the following legal structures: for-profit corporations, non-profit corporations, limited liability companies, limited liability partnerships, and limited partnerships. If your business entity is a sole proprietorship or general partnership, you do not need to file for formation/authorization. General partnerships, proprietorships, or self-employed business owners may proceed directly to business registration. Business registration is required for all business entities in the state of New Jersey. For more information, please follow the business registration link in the description box, or watch the next video in this series titled Episode 2, Online Business Registration.
Okay. I'm going to form a limited liability company, so I'll start with the Formation Authorization Business Entity Filing. But what do the words formation and authorization mean in this context?
Formation is for any domestic entity that would like to form a business in New Jersey. Domestic here means located within the state of New Jersey. Authorization is for any foreign entity that would like to be authorized to start a business in New Jersey. Foreign is defined as any business that already exists outside the state of New Jersey.
Okay, great. So, am I ready to begin the filing process?
Not quite. First, let's gather everything you'll need to complete your entity filing. There are 4 items on that checklist. You need a name for your business. To check if a name is available before beginning the entity filing process, type the link currently shown on screen into your browser or follow the link in the description box below. Type in the name you would like to use for your business and click the search button. If your business name is not available, you can call 609-292-9292 to find out what options are available to you. After you have chosen an available business name, you need to review the following information. The next item you'll need to be certain of is what type of business entity you want to form. We discussed this earlier, but I'm bringing it up again because it's essential. Remember, you can visit business.nj.gov/pages/choose a business structure for more information on the different legal structures for businesses in New Jersey. Do you have a registered agent?
I'm not sure. What is a registered agent? Do I need one?
Yes. Under New Jersey law, every domestic business entity formed for any purpose in New Jersey and every foreign business entity authorized to transact business in New Jersey shall continuously maintain a registered office in New Jersey and a registered agent with a registered office physically located in New Jersey. A registered agent is the agent of the business entity, is appointed by the business entity, and is the individual upon whom process against the corporation may be served. Whenever state law permits a notice to be given to a business entity, its officers, directors, or members, such notice may be sent by mail or otherwise to the registered agent and office of the business entity in New Jersey. This constitutes sufficient notice to the business entity. There are businesses in New Jersey that will assume the role of a registered agent. You're allowed to hire one of these companies if you so choose. And lastly, payment method. You can pay either by credit card or e-check. The fee is $125 for all for-profit entities and foreign nonprofit corporations. The fee is $75 for domestic nonprofit corporations. Have your payment method ready and nearby. Once you've addressed those items, business entity name, legal structure, registered agent, and payment method, you're ready to file for formation or authorization.
Great. I've got my entity name, I've chosen a legal structure, I have a registered agent, and I just grabbed my credit card. Let's get started.
Let's start by going online. To access the online business formation welcome page, type the link currently shown on screen into your browser, or follow the link in the description box below. This welcome page has several useful links to resources you may want to investigate either now by pausing this video or at a later time. When you're ready to proceed, click the Get Started button at the bottom of the page. First, choose a business type and a name for your business. The first field is a drop-down menu which contains every business type available in the state of New Jersey. The second field is where you'll type the name of your business. How you type the name is how it will be shown on your certificate, so you want to make sure the name is spelled correctly. You will be able to review and edit your information prior to payment if needed. After you've picked your business type and added your business name, click Continue. After clicking Continue, you'll be told if your business name is available. If it is, you will be asked to choose a business designator from the drop-down menu. Once you've chosen a designator, click the Continue button. If the business name is not available, you can either go back and choose a different name or call 609-292-9292 for more information. The next section will ask for your business information. None of the information on this page is mandatory, so if you do not have this information at the time of your filing, you can move forward by clicking the Continue button.
Why can't I select a past date as my effective date?
You can make your effective date a future date, but cannot select a date prior to the date of your entity filing.
Okay, I'm ready to continue.
In the next section, you will need to type in your business purpose. If your business purpose is longer than 300 characters, you can use the upload feature to add your entire business purpose. The only files that can be uploaded are PNG or PDF, with a max file size of 3 MB or 10 pages. Keep in mind, you will still need to write something in the business purpose box, even if you use the upload feature. Once you've completed this section, click the Continue button. The next section is for your main business address. This section is optional if you do not yet have a main business address at the time of filing. If you do not have a main business address, just click Continue. If you do have a main business address, then fill out the address information and click Continue. The next section is the Registered Agent section. A registered agent must have a New Jersey physical address and must be at least 18 years of age or older. Some registered agents are already on the State of New Jersey database and have what's called a registered agent number. Ask your registered agent if they have a number. If you have a registered agent number, fill it in and click the Continue button. If you do not have a registered agent number but do have a registered agent, click on Enter a Registered Agent/Office, and then fill in the information fields. This is a required section. You will not be able to complete your filing without a proper registered agent. Once you've filled in all the information, click the Continue button. The next section will ask you to add your officers/members. If you don't have any officers or members yet, you can disregard for now and click on the Continue button. If you do have officers/members, click the plus Add New Member button. A pop-up will ask you to fill out all the information for that officer/member. If you have more than one person, you can continue to click on the plus Add New Member button. Be sure to click the Save button after each added officer/member. Once you have completed adding all of your officers/members, click the Continue button. Keep in mind, you will be asked to add your officers/members when you go to file your annual reports, which we'll discuss at the end of this formation/authorization filing process. The next section is the signature page. There needs to be at least one signature to form/authorize your business. In order to sign the document, you must click on the plus Add New Signer button. You can have up to 10 signers on this document. After you click on the plus Add New Signer button, a pop-up box will open. Add your name and choose a title from the drop-down list. You'll then checkmark the signature box as authorization of your signature. The next section is the review page, where you'll check to make sure there are no spelling errors, incomplete fields, or incorrect information. Autocorrect can cause some serious issues, so please be sure to double-check all fields.
If I need to change something, do I just click Edit?
Yes. You can use the Edit button at the bottom of the section you need to change. After you've verified all your information is correct, click Continue. You will now be asked if there are any further certifications to be requested. Many people do not need more certifications than the Formation/Authorization Certificate. If you don't select any other certificates now and find out later that you do indeed need those certificates, you can always purchase them from the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at a later time. Here is where you will enter your contact information and select your payment method. The convenience fees for each payment method are outlined in the chart at the bottom of this page. Once you've filled out all the information, click the Pay Now button. The next section is the Payment Information page. Your transaction summary will show on the right side of your screen. Fill out all the required fields and click on the Next button. Enter your credit card information. Then click the Next button. This is the last section before payment is submitted. Double-check that your payment information is correct.
Everything looks good.
Go ahead and click Submit Payment. Once your payment has been processed, a confirmation page will open automatically. A confirmation email and receipt will be sent to your email as well.
Okay, great. So, I'm all done?
Hold on a moment. This confirmation page has a lot of important information.
Like what?
Download Documents is where you can retrieve your formation certificate. You will also get an email with a link and an access code to be able to retrieve your certificate within 30 days for free. You will also be able to save your formation certificate as a PDF to your desktop if you so choose. The second item of importance on this confirmation page is information on annual report reminders. Here, you can sign up to get free reminders about when to pay your business's annual reports.
You said earlier we'd circle back to that. What are annual reports?
Annual reports are annual filings with statutory fees paid to maintain business information on the public records. Annual reports are due on or near the anniversary of your filing date. These filings cost $75 a year and must be paid on time in order to remain in good standing with the state of New Jersey. The last important item on the confirmation page is the ability to register for state tax and employer purposes. If you're ready to register for state tax and employer purposes today too, click on the Continue Registering button at the bottom of your screen. You must file for state tax and employer purposes within 60 days of your Formation/Authorization Entity Filing. For more information on registering for state tax and employer purposes, please watch the next video in this series titled Business Registration, or type the link currently shown on screen into your browser to access the Business Registration Welcome page. This link is also provided in the description box below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember to check out our additional videos either by clicking the playlist link or by visiting the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at nj.gov/njbgs.